Hi everyone, and welcome to Calm Creations Flosstube. My name is Tia, and today I'm back with my weekly stitching update. It is now week 3, and so I just thought I'd hop on and show you what I've been up to. So I'll start with my travel stitching. Now you're going to have to excuse me, we've got a mouse and there's a mouse trap just down here, and if it goes off you're going to hear me scream, so just a word of warning just in case. So the first thing I've worked on this week is A Tale as Old as Time. This is my travel stitching that I take in the car. Okay, so I think last week we were up to, I was working on the rows and I've come up this part, so not an awful lot because I had a few days off, so I didn't work on it. So that is A Tale as Old as Time by Rocking Horse Cross Stitch. So that is that one. I'll say we'll have a finish pretty soon. So that is that one. Oh, sorry, I'll just turn that off. There we go. Right, now the next one that I worked on was, I did some in my, what's it called? It is called my Year of Stitches Temperature Sampler. So this is the one that I designed. So there's absolutely no plan for this, and I'm just doing whatever stitches I feel, and it's learning all of the new, well they're all new to me, most of them. So that's that one. So I think when you saw it last, it was just above this pink line. Now that pink line I think it was a hot day. Hang on, I'll tell you. So that one there was 32 degrees, and then I've come down here, and then these cross stitches here that are pink and blue, that is the 12th of February, so that's the grandbaby's birthday. So I've got two that are born on the same day to different parents, different countries. So that's their birthday, and I've got beads in there, and I've used for that one Cosmo threads, Cosmo metallics, which give it a bit of sparkle. So absolutely love how that's coming along. I'm so far behind, we're in May now, and I'm only up to February. So, but we'll get there. So that is my sampler of stitches. So I'll show you where I got up to. Last week's stitching was Emerald City by Our Forest Embroidery, which was this one here. And when I showed it last week, I had done, I can't even see him, where is he? I'd done the Tin Man, and I'd started on the Lion. So, show you that one. So I've now finished the Lion, so I didn't get much done on that, but I've stitched on it, so that was the main goal. So that's Emerald City by L Forest Embroidery. That's a free download on their website. And then this week's stitching is March Cottage. That's what that will look like when it's finished. And I'll put a picture in of where it was. Actually no, I won't, because I showed it last week. I'll just take it out of the hoop. I hadn't done very much, so I'll just fold that over. Right, get those out of the way. So last week when I showed it, I'd done the top banner and part of that M, that part of the M. So I've done the whole word of March, and I've done a couple of the flowers. I just need to fill in that one, and then there's 2 leaves that go either side of these 2, and then there's the tree that comes down here, and then the house. So that's March Cottage. So I'll carry on with that for the rest of this week, and then next Sunday when I switch over, it will be Christmas at Hawk Run Hollow. So that's what that will look like, and I'll show you where I'm up to. Move that out of the way. So this is where I'm up to. So I've fully finished the first block and working my way through the second block. So that's where I'm up to for Christmas at Hawk Run Hollow. So I'm looking forward to working on that. It's been a while. So that's my stitching that I've done this week and for next week. And I forgot to show this last week. I finished the little March calendar for my little photo frames. So that's finished. And then I'll start on April. Maybe I'll jump to May and then I can finish it. I don't know. But that's that one. But apart from that, that's everything for this week. So I like these videos because they're nice and short and there's no need to ramble, and we are done. So I hope you have a great week. Take care wherever you are, and I will see you all again for an update next week. Bye.